welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I'm with a makeup tutorial on this look right here. Pixie sent me some of their new Lash and Line Love products. So they have a bunch of different eyeliners, mascaras. So I want to use some of these in this video today. So that is what I did for you guys. This video is not sponsored by any means. I just thought it'd be fun to test these products as they do send it to me because I'm supposed to test things out. So I decided to do a look using them. And I used these two liners to create this look right here. I absolutely love this liner. This one is in the shade Rose Glow. It's their Endless Silky Eye Pen. So creamy. I put it over my entire lid. That's this pretty shimmer gold shade. That is just this eyeliner. Absolutely love it. And then I smoked it out using the Endless Silky Eye Pen again in Mulberry. And then I also went ahead and used their new mascara. This right here is the Large Lash Mascara. It's supposed to volumize. So yeah, I'm super excited. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I love this look that I created. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you guys haven't entered my giveaway, definitely be sure to leave that down below as well. But yeah, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to see this look right here, let's go ahead and get started.
The first eyeliner I'm taking is the Endless Silky Eye Pen. This one is in the shade Rose Glow, and I'm taking this and applying this over my entire lid. Now with my Morphe E17 brush, I'm taking that and gently blending this out. These blend so effortlessly, so it takes no time at all. Now I'm going into the Too Faced Dipped in Gold palette, and with that same brush, I'm taking So Bougie. It's a light brown shade, and I'm buffing this directly into my crease, and also taking a big fluffy brush to blend it all out. From that same palette and with the same brush, I'm taking Cocoa Truffle. It's a dark brown shade. I'm popping this right on the outer corner and into the crease. Going back in with that first eyeliner we used on our lid, I'm taking that and just reapplying it since when we did blend it, it did lose some of its color. Now with another Pixie Endless Silky Eye Pen in the shade Mulberry, it's a dark brown. I'm taking this and applying this really closely to my lash line and then smudging it out. Now going into the Pixie x Chloe palette, I'm taking the two shades of Veil and Honeymoon and using that as my brow bone highlight. For mascara, I'm taking the Pixie Large Lash Mascara. This is a volumizing mascara. Now for foundation, I'm taking the L'Oreal True Match Lumi. Mine's in the shade W12 Warm. I am loving this foundation right now. It gives me such a luminous, healthy look to the skin. Highly recommend. Now for concealer, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair Clair. I am loving this combination right now. These two together just give you such a healthy, luminous look. Really, really love. Now I already went ahead and set my concealer. Now I'm going to be moving on to the bronzer. For that, I'm taking the Marc Jacob 40 Mirrored Filter and taking the darker side to warm up my skin. Now for blush, I'm taking this one by MAC in the shade Prism. Now for highlight, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood Illuminator. And lastly, I'm taking the Longwear Sheer Envy Hard Candy Setting Spray. Now to finish up the eyes, I'm going back in with that Mulberry eyeliner and smudging this out underneath my lash line. Going back in with them two brown shades we used earlier, I'm taking my Morphe M506 brush and blending that out. Going back in with the eyeliner we used all over our lid, I'm applying that in my waterline and then popping on some mascara and also lashes as well. And lastly, to finish up the eye look, I'm going back in with that shade we used as our brow bone and applying it in my inner corner. Now for lips, I'm taking this NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Pink. And lastly, I'm taking the NYX matte lipstick in the shade Spirit. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to enter my giveaway. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!